Hi guys, welcome to another watch review, and today's review is all about Fire Boltt Vogue. This is a Bluetooth calling smartwatch with IP68 water rating, multiple strap options, health monitors, and a price of rupees 1999. I'm really excited about sharing more about this watch, its features, its functions, its build quality, and in the end, answer the most important question: is it worth buying? I'm Siddharth, and thank you for tuning into my channel. Now let's check out the unboxing. As you can see, the box has watch and brand ambassador MS Dhoni picture on the face. On the side of the box are some highlighted features. Backside mentions some more features, QR code to download the app, and manufacturer details. When you remove the box lid, straight away you get the watch. This watch has come with stainless steel straps. We'll check the watch later. Let's look at what's more in the box. With the watch unit, you get a wireless charger, a user manual, a warranty card, and a few free subscriptions. Now let's see the watch. To on the watch, you will need to long press the crown button. The watch looks really awesome and feels very comfortable. The 2.05-inch large display is bright and brilliant. The crystal clear touchscreen has 428 x 518 pixel resolution with peak brightness of 600 nits. The blacks are dark and the colors are really vibrant. With the bright HD display, you get good viewing experience both indoors as well as outdoors. The metal case with glass back gives the watch a very premium look. You can set the always on display by setting the screen time to always on. You will get an analog clock as the always on display. Added to the always on display, you also get the raise to wake feature. The watch gets a functional crown, rotate to change watch faces, single tap to directly access and scroll the menu, and double tap to swap menu styles. You also get a side button to on and off the watch, and you can also use it as an hotkey quick access any single feature. I have assigned phone call to it. Watch has inbuilt mic and speaker for Bluetooth calling and listening to music. You also get dedicated health sensors and the charging port at the back. Vogue is part of Fire Boltt's Luxe collection and comes with an assortment of strap options like stainless steel, steel mesh, Dyna Loop, Aqua Wave, and Magna Loop. I have chosen the stainless steel strap, which I find very convenient as both formal and informal wear. The strap design is adjustable to fit all wrist sizes, and the material does not irritate the skin even after long use. The watch is also IP68 dust and water resistant, which means you can take it swimming. You can remove excess water by using the self-draining feature which vibrates the watch. Overall, the watch looks very attractive and suitable for all wrist sizes and genders. To pair the watch with a phone, install the Fire Boltt Active app from the QR code given on the box, in the menu of the watch, or from the manual. The app is compatible with both iOS and Android. Pairing is very easy, just follow the steps prompted, connect and pair via Bluetooth. The app shows the detailed summary of health and activity data. You can track your runs through GPS and change watch faces from the collection in the app. The user interface is very smooth and lag-free. The functions are easy to access and the touchscreen is very responsive. The buttons also function without any glitch. Swiping down to access the control center, which has two pages. Page 1 has settings, dial pad, battery status, phone connectivity, menu styles. There are 8 menu styles to choose from. All the styles are very attractive and well laid. I personally prefer the list style for its convenience. Then you have the SOS, where you can save one contact for emergency, device info, main menu. And page 2 has alarm, which has to be set from the app, brightness control, self-draining to get rid of the excess water, NFC control for access to smart doors, GPS movement to track activities with app-based GPS, DND, which will dim the brightness and turn off vibrations, flashlight, and power off. By swiping up, you can access messages. Swiping right, you will get the split screen where you can see recently opened widgets apart from the time and date. And swiping left allows you to access customized widgets which you would most likely use regularly. You can add and subtract the features you would like as shortcuts. You can access by pressing the add sign and selecting and deselecting from the list of features. The watch has a list of featured functions Let us look at them one by one. Firstly, we get the watch faces. There are 4 trendy built-in watch faces. You can select any one as the main watch face by rotating the crown or by long pressing on the watch screen. But if you do not like them, you can choose from the massive collection of over 500 watch faces available on the app. There is a wide selection of watch faces to suit your choice and style. You can also customize the watch face as per your style from the My Dial option in the app watch face library. Then you have the sports modes. There are 100 plus inbuilt sports modes. You get the general sports like walking, running and cycling, outdoor sports like tennis, football, basketball, training such as yoga, weightlifting, pilates, just to name a few. And that apart, you also get dance, combat sports and winter sports. This watch can be your constant companion for all your sporting activities. The watch also comes with its inbuilt health suite where you can check heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, ECG, sleep, female period, temperature, and activity. Let us compare the heart rate and SpO2 reading versus the oximeter reading. The heart rate reading is almost accurate and the blood oxygen reading is also very accurate. You can also monitor other aspects of your health through female cycle period tracker for ladies, sedentary and drink water reminders, body temperature monitor, and with the activity tracker, the watch motivates you to be active by giving data like steps taken, calories burnt, and distance covered. Another very important feature the watch has is Bluetooth calling. You can make or receive calls, check call records, and store up to 10 contacts. Let's make a call and see the quality. The mic and the call quality is really good and you can hear very clearly. The watch allows you to adjust the call volume also. Apart from all these features, you get some extra features like music player. You can control the music on the phone, but you can't adjust the volume of the songs from the watch. You can also listen to music on the watch by selecting watch audio in your phone. Then you get the camera control, which allows you to remote control the camera of your phone to take photographs. You have the weather forecast, and with the weather function, you know the current weather and the forecast for an entire week ahead. You get voice control, and this feature allows you to remotely give command to Siri or OK Google. You can set alarm and the watch will vibrate. Breathe function allows you to relax. Calculator allows you to calculate on the watch, and I find it great for students. You can track activities with preset timer. Stopwatch is available to track the timing of your activities. You also get My Card to keep the QR code of your social media. I have added my Instagram so that I need not open my account every time I want to add a follower. Additionally, you get NFC door access, which you can use to gain entry for smart doors. You also have the Find Phone feature. Use it to locate the phone from your watch. Press the Find My Phone feature. The phone will vibrate and lets you know its location. To locate your watch, click on the Find Watch and the ringer in the watch will start. You also have the flashlight. You can use this flashlight when you want to move in the dark. Apart from the regular watch games available in the app, you have a collection of motion sensing games too. You can select games from the app. While they are very interesting and immersive, it will require some practice before you can really enjoy these. But they are great time pass. The watch also lets you know the altitude of your location. Here, let's check mine. Almost correct. The watch also has password lock, and this feature lets you set a password lock so that only you can access the watch. The watch comes with a 260 mAh battery, which gives a very good backup of up to 3 days with Bluetooth calling and up to 6 days without. The wireless charger takes around 2 hours to fully charge the watch, and to enhance the battery backup, You can choose low power mode from the settings and use the always on display only when required. Having checked all its features, I conclude that Fire Boltt Vogue is a great value for money product. I mean, look at it. It has all the wonderful features: Bluetooth calling, health monitors, IP68 water rating, multiple strap options, NFC access control, motion sensing games, and whatnot, and all at a very reasonable price of rupees 1999. So if you are in a budget of rupees 2000 and you're looking for a smartwatch, this should be your watch. The buy link is in the description below to check it out. So as mentioned in the thumbnail, we have a giveaway. I'm giving away the Fire Boltt Ninja Pro Max Ultra smartwatch, and to qualify, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and DM me the answer to this very simple question: what is the name of the watch I just reviewed? The last day to enter the contest is 14th December. On 15th December, I will select randomly and declare the winner of the contest. The winner will get the watch free of cost. With that, we come to the end of today's review. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Share with your family and friends. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Peace.